Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing about JOAIT paper which held on 21st March 2021. Yesterday मैंने 2 वीडियोज़ अपलोड कर ली थी जिसमें हमारे 100 क्वेश्चंस मैंने डिस्कस कर लिए थे 1 to 100 क्वेश्चंस ऑफ सीरीज़ डी. आपकी अगर अलग सीरीज़ है तो आप अपने क्वेश्चंस मैच करके you can check your answers accordingly, and if you are new on my channel then please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, as you can give your biggest support to us by doing this. So let's start. हमारा 101 question है, which of the following features of MS Excel can be used to highlight the marks obtained by the students if the marks are below 10? Correct option is conditional formatting. Next is, which of the following is not a valid cell address in MS Excel? Correct option is C, A:1. Next is, which of the following functions in MS Excel is used to search a value in the leftmost column of a table and returns the corresponding value from another column in the same row? Correct option is VLOOKUP. B is the correct option. Next is, which of the following is the correct cell format to display only the month, name of the date entered in a cell? Correct option is C. Next is, a dash is a tool in MS Excel to calculate, summarize and analyze data to study patterns and trends in the data. Correct option is pivot table. D is the correct option here. Next is, which feature in MS Excel lets you quickly insert consecutive odd numbers in a column of the sheet? Correct option is B, fill then series. Next is, assume that in an MS Excel sheet, cell A1 and A2 contains values 5 and 5% respectively. Then what will be the value of the formula is equal to A1 plus A2 entered in cell A3 of that sheet? इस क्वेश्चन में मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. इसका जो आंसर है मैं बाद में कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दूंगी. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग चार्ट्स इन MS Excel shows numerical data as slices of a single circle? Correct option is D, pie. Next is, which of the following features in MS Excel lets you record a sequence of keystrokes and play them again when required? Correct option is B, macro. Next is, what is the full form of UDP with reference to TCP IP? Correct option is user datagram protocol. Next is, in which of the following network topologies all the nodes are connected to a central connection point like a hub or a switch? Correct option is star. Next is, which of the following transmission media make use of 4 pairs of insulated copper wires? Correct option is UTP. Next is, which of the following internet services is responsible for translation of domain names into corresponding IP addresses? Correct option is B, DNS. Next is, in which of the following network the problem of hidden terminal arises? Correct option is A, wireless network. Next is, what is the length in bits of an IPv6 address? Correct option is 128. Next is, the concept of IP addresses belongs to the dash layer of ISO OSI reference model. Correct option is B, network. Next is, what is the recommended maximum length of UTP CAT6 cable? Correct option is D, 100 meter. Next is, how many usable IPv4 addresses are there in a network with subnet mask 255.255.255.240? Correct option is C, 14. Next is, which of the following IPv4 address series is reserved by IANA for private use? Correct option is B, 192.168.0.0/16. Next is, in which mode of communication transmission can occur in both directions but only in one direction at a time? Correct option is B, half duplex. Next is, GSM, UMTS and LTE are the types of. Correct option is D, cellular technologies. Next is, which of the following color wire is not found in UTP cable? Correct option is D, yellow. Next is, Ubuntu, Kali and Sedent operating system are the popular distributions of which operating system? Correct option is Linux. Next is, which of the following is the built-in web browser for Mac operating system? Correct option is Safari. C is the correct option. Next is, what is the command in Linux to list the directory contents? Correct option is A, ls. Next is, the dash mode in Google Chrome browser can be used for private browsing. Correct option is incognito. C is the correct option. Next is, the famous WannaCry malware is an example of. Correct option is ransomware. Next is, a dash is a malware that grabs the keystrokes pressed by the user and sends them to the hacker. Correct option is keylogger. D is the correct option. Next है, which network security device allows or blocks the incoming and outgoing network traffic based on a defined set of security rules? Correct option is firewall. D is the correct option. Which of the following commands in Windows Linux is used to check the status of the active network connections? Correct option is netstat. Next is, which of the following HTML tags is used to create a number list of items? Correct option is B. Next is, the concept of CAPTCHA is based on dash test to distinguish between human and machine operators. Correct option is Turing test. D is the correct option. How many heading levels are supported by HTML? Correct option is 6. C is the correct option. Which of the following is not a part of a URL? Correct option इसमें होगा हमारा access type. Next is, which of the following is the HTML tag to create a data cell in a table? Correct option is TD. D is the correct option. Next is, which of the following is the HTML tag to insert an image in the web page? Correct option is A, IMG. Next is, in dash CSS, style is specified using the style attribute of the element. Correct option is B, inline. Next is, which of the following CSS properties is used to set space between the content and the border of an element? Correct option is B, padding. Next is, how will you link an external JavaScript file with an HTML document? Correct option is A, using script element. Next question is 140th question है हमारा, which of the following HTML tags is used to create a hyperlink in the web page? Correct option is C, A. Okay. Next is, which of the following is a voice control digital assistant provided by Microsoft Windows 10? Correct option इसमें हमारा रहेगा Cortana. Next is, which mode disables a device all the wireless transmission functions like cellular radio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? Correct option is airplane mode. D is the correct option here. Next is, which of the following is a Microsoft anti-malware that provides real-time protection against viruses, malware and spyware? Correct option is Defender. B is the correct option. Next is, Windows dash mode boots the computer using minimal functionality with limited number of running applications and processes. Correct option is A, safe. Next is, which of the following web browsers is installed by default in Windows 10? Correct option is Edge. A is the correct option. Next is, which of the following is a free cloud storage service provided by Microsoft to store the personal files of the users? Correct option is D, OneDrive. Next is, Windows dash consists of quick actions area and the notifications area to enable convenient access to them. Correct option is B, taskbar. Next is, which of the following characters is not allowed in a file name in Windows operating system? इस क्वेश्चन में मैं A और C ऑप्शन में श्योर नहीं हूँ, सो इसका भी मैं कमेंट सेक्शन में कर दूँगी श्योरिटी के साथ. अभी मैं श्योर नहीं हूँ. आफ्टर दैट आई विल अपलोड द आंसर. नेक्स्ट इज, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग यूटिलिटीज इज यूज टू चेक एंड फिक्स डिस्क ड्राइव्स इन विंडोज ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम? इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, CHKDSK. नेक्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज द शॉर्टकट की टू ओपन विंडोज टास्क मैनेजर? इसमें करेक्ट ऑप्शन है डी, Ctrl+Alt+Escape. Ctrl+Shift+Escape भी यूज होता है. Next is, the dash is a database used by Windows operating system that stores the settings for the hardware, software and user settings. Correct option is registry. D is the correct option. Next is, what is the Linux command to terminate a running process? Correct option is C, kill. Next is, which of the following clauses in SQL select statement is used to filter the rows as per the given condition? Correct option is A, where. Next is, which of the following SQL statements is used to add a new column in a table? Correct option is D, alter table. Next is, which of the following languages is used as scripting language in HTML? Correct option is A, JavaScript. Next is, which of the following is a DTL SQL command? Correct option is B, create. Next is, which of the following SQL query will find the number of records in a table X for which the column Y has a value of more than 70? Correct option will be A, select count star from X where Y is greater than 70. Next is which of the following attributes must be defined in an input element in HTML form to ensure that it is not left blank. Correct option is A, required. Next question is which of the following programming languages is used to create macros in MS Excel. Correct option is B, VBA. Next is which, यहाँ पर VBA आएगा इसका आंसर 159 का. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोग्राम लैंग्वेजेस इज यूज टू क्रिएट मैक्रोज इन MS Excel. करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज VBA. Next is which of the following CPU components generating timing and control signals for executing in an instruction control unit is the correct option, option B. Next is the term SSID is associated with which network. Correct option is Wi-Fi. Next इसमें है how will you insert the symbol in HTML. Correct option is C. Next is which of the following is a popular GUI Linux desktop environment. Correct option is GNOME. A is the correct option. Which of the following network devices operate in layer 3 of ISO OSI reference model. Correct option is C, switch. The process of writing data on a CD is known as dash data to the CD, burning data to the CD. So here A will be the correct option. Which of the following is not a relational data management system. Correct option is MongoDB. C is the correct option. Next is which of the following boxes is not present in CSS box model. Correct option is C, header. Next is which of the following is the correct SQL query to fetch the rows from the EMP table having salary less than 5000. यहाँ पर हमारा correct option रहेगा D. Next is which of the following is the correct SQL statement to delete a database table. Correct option is drop table, table name. C is the correct option. Last is which of the following is the correct CSS rule. Correct option इसमें रहेगा हमारा D. Okay, so if you liked my video then please don't forget to like, subscribe and to share my channel, and also do comment in the comment box. Thank you for keep watching and keep motivating, keep supporting. Thank you.